they're off. Justin Phillip breaks on top. There goes Private Zone. And Strapping Groom up the backstretch. Private Zone out for that lead. Strapping Groom right with him on his inside. The Lumber Guys come out running in third. Justin Phillip is now fourth, followed by Bahamian Squall fifth, about 5 lengths from the lead. It's another 2 to Candyman E. Well behind the good 3-year-old 40 Tails around the far turn. And it is Private Zone, as is his wont, has gone to the front. A 22-3 opening quarter mile. Last year's Vosburgh winner, the Lumber Guy, looms second now, Strapping Groom third toward the inside. Justin Phillip has been guided to clear sailing on the outside. That one is closely followed here by Bahamian Squall, another 3 to Candyman E, and another 3 to 40 Tails. So it's Private Zone in front as they turn for home. A half mile in 44-4. Private Zone coming to the 8th pole with the lead, but here comes Justin Phillip to the attack with an 1/8 of a mile to go. Private Zone digs down deeply, but Justin Phillip keeps on coming at him. Nip and tuck. Those two full throttle under the line. Private Zone coming back. Private Zone comes back. A courageous victor here. Justin Phillip lost the lead, strides from the wire. Final time, 1:08 flat.